Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the 2 screws on the rear of the base cover. Remove the other 7 screws. And pry the cover off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the wireless module and remove the screw. Slide and remove the wireless card bracket, using a plastic scribe to disconnect the cables. Remove the module from the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system. Connect the antenna cables to the wireless card. Pay attention to the colors of the antenna cables. Replace the wireless card bracket and install the screw to secure it. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 9 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.